Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Rhea Walfredas. I'm 46 years old. I'm happy married with my 4 children. I'm high school graduate. I had experience in Qatar for 1 year and 6 months. I serve for family members. I do cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, sometimes marketing, and wash the car. I had also experience in Dubai for 1 year and 3 months. I serve 2 family members. I do cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, marketing sometimes, and wash the car. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyalty, trustworthy, hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and my responsibilities. Thank you, Madam and Sir. God bless.